The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 20 nautical miles until 3:45 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., showers with isolated thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles northeast of Seabreeze to 12 nautical miles southwest of Woodland Beach, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged by briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Buoy 2FB, Brown Shoal Lake, Buoy 4FB, Buoy 3FB, East Point, Miamall Lake, Great Egg Reef, Brandywine Shoal Light, Ocean City Reef, The Lump, 28-mile wreck, Brigantine, Cross Ledge Light, Atlantic City Reef, 14-foot bank light, Great Egg Inlet, Bowers Beach, Cape May Point and Ship John Shoal Light.